big versus small. Got my little C24-1 out, the Toyoda, painted him green. And then we've got my brother's FTX Kanyon. He's also give it a lick of green paint as well. But the size difference on these two trucks is, just look at the difference, that's mad. So I think the FTX Kanyon is supposed to be a 1/10 XL, but to me that looks more like a 1/8. So we've got the 1/16 WPL up top and the, in brackets, 1/10 FTX Kanyon. It is a monster. So Craig made a little makeshift tripod.
Best tripod in the world, but
Let's film a nice little shot. So we got the trucks.
drive over your truck.
Trucks up there, and we got this little homemade tripod. I'm going to ask him to send me the shot and we'll put it in the video. I don't normally drive this far away from home, right? Nice to look at the truck. Set up the other side now. Just try to get a shot, I guess. Easy peasy. Oh, we got some wheel spinning action, yeah? I want to take the right hand line up this as close as you can to the... so some things my little truck can do, the big truck can't already. Easy peasy. Let's see if the little critter can do it. Some technical issues off camera. I have to take my time. Got some custom wheel weights in there, just wrap some solder around the wheels. Not a problem for grip for the MN96 wheels and tyres. And the 2-speed gearbox in low gear, just chugging me up there. Easy peasy. FTX Kanyon is a big old truck there to get up. Yeah, and tyres are gripping, man. Are they stock tyres on this still?
Yeah.
Stock tyres still on there. And now he's taking more daring lines. Oh, and again! Technical issue. Oh, those lights look nice in this this low light. Not a lot of sunshine left today, guys. Take my time, I've come down at the wrong angle. Ooh. Across the ice. I really like this 2-speed setup. The weighted wheels still lighter than WPL weighted wheels, but there's enough weight there to counteract the body. Yeah, it's a nice little recipe. This is like in the tyres, the weight distribution. And yeah, this is controlling like a dream. 2-speed gearbox, nice and controlled down there. Into the ice. Yeah, you gotta be careful with these little sticks. You've got to plan your route carefully with these little trucks. You can't just point there in a direction and go. Yeah, you've got to plan your route carefully, and yeah. What's a little trail for me is going to be a different line completely now for the big 1/10, where I just probably come up to the middle. You just went over the top like it was nothing. I've got you out the way. I'm going to watch Watch Craig take his Kanyon through the puddle. Oh, nice. So he wants me to
convincing.
he wants me to follow line, and as you can see, it's nice and clean at the moment. I've been doing some gentle trailing. So yeah, he wants me to follow line for this bog here. I'm gonna take
If the deep end.
get straight to the deep end. He said, I'm gonna take this what looks to be shallower line around the right hand side here. Oh, still muddy nonetheless. And out the other side.
Easy.
Oh, now the little C24s go. Lots of cleaning to do when I get back in. Get all the mud out of there. Nah, I'm only joking. It's part of the fun. Getting your trucks
ready.
nice and muddy and dirty.
Straight through.
Straight through. Well done, little C24. Yeah, not a lot of daylight left now, guys, but I've had lots of fun nonetheless. I'm going to take the little line alongside the bog here. This is perfect for my little 1/16 scale WPL. Perfect amount of mud and water. Take it nice and slow. Plan my route nice and carefully. And this should tractor its way up the tree line here. See a bit of a twig at the top. That's a tree in real life. Is that going to get in the way? The answer is no. Straight up. See you in 2. So Craig's had to go back to his car to get some batteries, and he's parked his big old Kanyon right in front of the trail. So we're going to have to do one of those tricky lines around the outside. Really steep side slant here. We're going to see if we can work our way back onto the trail. Oh, front left is up. I think we've made it. Hey. Tight little pass here, up on top, and then just down the other side. Tight to the tree as I can get, possibly use it. Oh, nicely done. There's me taking this slow. There goes the Kanyon. Canyon's like, I'm out of here. I gotta plan my route, man. Could be a bit deep for me. I just like barely touching the throttle. I'm just throttle's in one place and the truck's just doing its thing. So I've just done this and it was really nice. Typical now. There we go. And then for this bit, I have to get the front right really wide. Hook it onto this tree. And then I'm going to use that to bring me around. We'll do a bit of adjustment, there we go. Bring myself up a bit better. Yeah. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.